Actually, ang Qigong mas matagal na kaysa sa Tai Chi. Ayun, yun yung ano ng Qigong. I think it's around 4,000 years. No? Na-create na yung Qigong. Tapos, Tai Chi is actually considered to be a type of Qigong. Pero nagkaroon na siya ng sariling identity. Pero yung kanyang, yung kanyang tawag dito, objective same eh. Same namin eh. Mas mobile lang ng konti yung Tai Chi. Tapos, ayan, Qigong mas nakafocus sa breathing. Tai Chi naman kasi, pero halos sa movement ang ang nakafocus eh. Ang weird nga, one of my instructor, isa sa student ko na instructor, he consider Tai Chi as medyo external na and Qigong is internal, which is hindi naman talaga hindi naman it's not the case. It's basically both internal arts pa rin. So this is the flow niya. So let's start with gathering chi from heaven. Tapos ito gawin natin tatlo. The other siguro tig-isa lang. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. So first movement. Kamay, nakaganito. So this is pressing heaven. Inhale up, then exhale down. Throwing the bow and shoot the hop. Cross. Look at the tip of the finger, the index finger, retract and retract or shift your weight, your entire body here. Slowly, you'll be up on the other side, cross. Bila naman po. So retract, extend, and enter. Then separating heaven and earth. This is the number 3. 1. Do this. Separating heaven and earth. Eyes old, faces backward. Nakabipa lang. Look back. So turn your head to the left and to the right. So from here, to connect you with the next movement, you'll do this first. And push up. Place your hands or with your palm here sa top ng knee, sa thigh part. Then bend forward and bend sideways. Then center and go up. Inhale. Exhale. Now yung bending backward, touching the toes. Next movement. This is known as punching with angry gaze. So exhale, clench your fist, open, relax, inhale as you retract. Exhale as you punch, clench your fist, sharpen your eyes as well. Galit, labas lahat. Open, turn, and retract. Okay, and down. Lash is bouncing on your toes. So you just lift your heel part and drop to the ground. Inhale. And, so you can do this 3 times siguro. So normally, pag 3 yung ginagawa ko 6. Sit again with gathering chi from heaven. Inhale. Exhale. And close. Basically, that's the 8-section rotate type of Qigong. It's one of the most powerful Qigong that you will, it's considered to be one of the most popular type ng Qigong.